this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and I can't believe the holidays have already passed and we're heading into the new year, and I wish you all a happy new year. But today I'm going to share my first Valentine project with you, and it's this cute little treat box. And I love this. I really love how this little heart is embossed in gold to match the gold in this new designer series paper. This is the Painted with Love. If you watched my haul, you saw this in there. It's this Painted with haul. It is Painted with Love specialty designer series paper, and it's specialty because every piece has foil on it. It's super pretty, and the backs have different prints on them, and the front are really like kind of, I don't know, abstract, or they look kind of painted, so hence the Painted with Love. So this is what I'm using. I'm using these little hearts here. So I thought it'd be really cute to emboss the gold heart on this little tag here. So this is what I'm sharing. I'm going to just slide this off and show you the inside. I did use Real Red with this, but there is no Real Red in this designer series paper. So this time I'm going to use the Melon Mambo because it has Melon Mambo in it. Some of the hearts are Melon Mambo. But although it looks really cute with the Real Red too, but when you open this, it opens like this, and we have a little divider in there, and it holds these Hershey's hearts, but you can put any kind of chocolates in it. The Kisses would probably certainly fit in there. You can probably even put one more heart in each one of those if you really wanted to make it special, but I just thought it was really cute with the two in there in each of them. So this is what I'm sharing. I'm going to slide this back on here because it's so cute. I love the little embossed heart. And this is our new tinsel trim, and it comes in gold in a 2-pack with gold, and I believe it's Blushing Bride. Excuse me, I still have a little bit of that cold I'm still trying to get rid of. I'm actually feeling much better though. But here is the Blushing Bride one, and then it comes also in the gold. So it's a 2-pack. And at Christmas time I used a lot of it, and it was the silver and red that we had. So this is what I'm sharing today. And so for this project, this is, like I said, Melon Mambo. This is 7 inches by 7 inches. You're going to need another piece for the inside for the little divider, which is 7.5 by 1 3/4. For the matting, you're going to need a piece that's 1 3/4 by 4 3/4, and you're going to need another piece that is 3/4 by 4 3/4. You are going to need, like on this one, I did not mat the sides, but we're going to mat the sides on the next one. So for the sides, you're going to need 2 that are 3/4 by 1 3/4. And you'll need also a scrap of Melon Mambo to punch out the little scallop circle, and then another piece to punch out the heart that we're going to use for the tag. Alright, so that is it. The heart that I'm using is from this Wood Words, and it's this heart right here. So that's what we're using for the top of the box, for the tag. Alright, so let's get scoring these 2 pieces. So on the 7 by 7, we are going to score at 1, at 3, 4, and 6. And then you're going to turn it, and you're going to score it at 1 and 6, or 1 inch on each side. And that's it for that. Okay, so for the divider, we are going to score it at 1.5, 2 1/4, 3, 4.5, 5.25, and 6. Okay, and we are going to fold these like in Mountain Valley style to form our little divider. Okay. Now what I did on the other one is I just took some of my Fast Fuse and I put it between these little so that these will stand up firm. And then you can also add adhesive, and I'll show you that in a minute when we create the box to fit in the bottom of the box. All right, so let's get cutting on this one. So on this one right here, you know what? Let's go ahead and mat this first because this is going to make it a lot easier this time. Sometimes I usually find it easier to mat after, but on this one, since we're going to cut the sides a little bit angled, we're going to go ahead and add our matting here. So you're going to mat there. We're going to mat the front. And then we're going to mat the sides right here. And the reason I'm going to mat this is because we're going to cut these sides here. My Fast Fuse is giving me problems today. There we go. All right. Excuse me. Now we are going to cut up this one and then just take a little bit from there. Going to do the same on here. And then on the sides, we're going to cut up here. On this, and we're going to do the same on the other side. And then on this one, we're going to just go ahead and cut right here. And then on this one. So it will look just like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and sharpen all our score marks now, and then we'll be ready to adhere it all together. Oh, the other part, I'll show you here in just a minute that I forgot to do. Is on this front part right here, there's the little tags that we're going to adhere, but on this part right here you are going to cut at an angle. That's why I wanted to mat it first. It just helps to close the box to close better. So it's going to be just like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and add the adhesive here and here. And we'll close up the top of the box. And then we are going to also put adhesive on these two here. Use either your Fast Fuse or your double-sided adhesive because you want plenty of adhesive to hold this closed. And then we're going to just line these up. Let's do the back one first because the back one's a little bit easier. And then your front. Just like that. I'm going to use my little 1-inch hole punch right here, and I'm just making a little like half moon. It just helps to open. When you're opening this box, it just helps it to open. So it's just going to give you a little. You can do that before if you want to, but it's not necessary. It creates a really cute one. Okay, so now on here, I'm going to just add a little adhesive to the bottom here. And then we're ready to just put that in here. You don't even have to put the adhesive on there, but it does help to hold it in place. And then let me grab some more of the candy and we'll put some in there, 2 in that one. Two in here, and then 2 more. And then we'll just close it up. We're going to set this aside just for a minute, and I'm going to stamp my little heart with the Versamark. So here's my little heart, and ink that up really good. And I'm going to get my gold emboss here. Got a little thing right there. I always keep a brush with me when I'm embossing. And then I'm going to just bring my heat tool up here, and we're going to heat emboss this really quickly. Okay, so look how cute that is. Now I'm going to take my 1-inch hole punch and I'm going to punch that out. It fits perfectly in there. I'm going to grab our new 1 1/8 inch scallop punch. I'm so happy we're getting these back. And I'm going to just take my scrap here and punch that. This makes it super quick and easy. I'm going to use a dimensional to pop that up onto the scallop. I really like the Melon Mambo with this. Then I'm going to take my, I think this is the 1/8 inch hole punch, and I'm going to punch right through 2 layers there. I'm going to take the gold tinsel, and I'm going to have to help it through, because another way to do it is put a little bit of tape on the end here, and it goes through really good. If you just put a little bit of tiny adhesive tape there. We are going to add this. I want to do it on here because I don't want to. So there it is with the little gold heart on it. Is that not so cute? And here's the other one. This one's in real red and this one's in Melon Mambo, so you can't really tell too much of a difference, but I do love the Melon Mambo one. So I hope you enjoyed the project today. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop right from my blog. And don't forget, the New Occasions catalog is now live with celebration going on. For every $50 you spend, you get a free product out of the celebration brochure. So if you don't have a demonstrator and you would like a catalog, you can just go to my blog and contact me in the contact section of my blog and leave your name and address, and I'd be happy to send you one. So that's it, everyone. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'm going to catch you in the next one. I'll see you later. Bye.